So hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video, we will see how to install Cloud Code CLI on your Windows. So guys, if you install the Cloud CLI on the Windows, so guys, it is very easy. But but before you installing, so you need to install some packages. Okay. So first package we install, which is called npm. Okay. For this, first of all, open your CMD. Okay. In the CMDs, first you search the npm version, npm -v. Okay, if it is shows any version, so it's mean that npm is properly installed in your application. Sorry, in your system. If it is not, then guys, you simply open the Chrome browser where you go to the official website of Node.js. Here you go back and guys simply search the node.js/org. After that, you click on the first link. Then here you see the option of get node.js. After you use the command, if you want to use the command, otherwise you simply move downward, and here you choose your operating system and your running architecture. Then guys, here you download the installer. Okay, so this is the simple way that you can install the node.js. Then you simply restart your computer and again open the CMD, and guys search for the npm version. Okay, when npm is installed properly, then you move to the another command which helps to download the Cloud CLI. The next command is installing the Cloud Code CLI. For this, you simply search npm install. Okay, then -g, and guys add the rate here and type entropy. Then guys dash ai slash cloud dash code. Okay, make sure all the spellings are right. Then guys hit enter, and guys your cloud is start installing. Okay, after the few seconds, guys, here you see that my cloud, so I'm already installed the cloud, so that's why it's showing this type of things. Like first it clean my older version, then install the new version, and shows that two packages in 4 seconds. After that, you simply search cloud -v. It helps to verify the version of the cloud that we installed. So our version is 2.1.83. Okay, then if you want to run the cloud, so simply search the cloud in your computer. Here you see, okay, it's not cloud, it's cloud. Okay, now hit enter. Guys, here you see that my application is now start begin. Okay, now it asks you to choose the text style that you look best with your terminal. Okay, so you simply go here, and here it show the output